How to add new email account in your PayPal account. So let's begin the video. First, you need to sign into your PayPal account. And next, click the profile name in top right of the screen. And, in the drop-down menu, click the Profile Settings tab. Next, click the Email Accounts Update link in this Profile Settings page. Here, you will be able to see all the emails added in your PayPal account. Click Add New button here to add new email account. And in this pop-up window, enter the new email account you want to add in PayPal. You can add a maximum of 7 email accounts in PayPal. And done! The new email account is added in PayPal. To make the new email account active to use, you need to verify and confirm the new email account. And done verifying the email account. Now, the email account is activated to be shared and collect payments from clients. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please like, comment, and share my video if it was helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates.